Removing and refitting the flexible shaft from the control panel to the air distribution flaps on a Skoda Fabia MK1 99 2007. If the air distribution doesn't seem to be working correctly, or the knob feels a bit loose, the flexible shaft may have detached or broken. First, turn the knob to the vertical position where the demist symbol is. Disconnect the battery. Now you have to take out the front part of the lower dash, and it will also be helpful to take out the centre console. I've done other videos on removing and replacing these, so please have a look at those before you tackle the next bit. I'm just going to skip through to the relevant part about the flexible cable. And if you're familiar with these, just skip through to 204. When you've taken all the panels off, store them somewhere safe. Once you've got down to this stage, you can see the flexible shaft here coming out of the control unit. When the air distribution knob is in the vertical position on the control unit, the flexible cables catch is also in the vertical position. Just here in fuchsia pink purple, same colour as my great aunt Winnie's undergarments. If you follow the cable for a short distance under the footwell, you can see the other end's connection on the flapper gear set. And if I turn the control knob 90 degrees to the left in the 11:45 position, you can see the end connector turn round to reveal a little black pimple clip right in the centre just here. You might find it a bit easier to take out the driver's side air vent, which is held in by one small T20 screw here. Take the screw out and then just give a tug and it'll unclip and pull out. If we take a look at the end of the vent, you can see here how it fits on with two diagonally opposed rectangular notches that slip over clips on the other male end. Once you've taken the vent out, you get a little bit more access to the clip, but not much, and you can still get to it without taking it off anyway. Once you've turned the cable to reveal the black pimple clip in the centre, this is what you want to be pressing in to release it, and you can do that with a suitably small screwdriver. You just press in the button and pull outwards, being careful not to break it, as it's quite delicate. As you can see, when you move the gears, the protruding clip part moves quite a lot, and importantly needs to stay in the same position for the flaps to be in the correct place. The clip at the control panel end is now in this position as you've moved the knob 90 degrees to the left. You just need to press the clip and pull it out and remove from the car. As you can see, it's only a very short flexible cable, and importantly the ends are completely different. Feed the female end of the cable into the dash just here. Align and feed onto the protruding clip and push home until you can hear it click, with the hardest bit being the initial alignment. Push the male end back into the socket on the rear of the control panel. Then test the function of the flexible cable at both ends. And you're good to go. If you remove the vent pipe, feed it back in and align the clips, you can just see one here. Jiggle it about into position, put the screw back in, and then refit everything back in reverse order. Once you've got everything back together, reattach the battery, put the fan on to full blast, and test the distribution control works correctly and as it should. Of course, the hot and cold control is a different matter, and I know a lot of guys have got issues with that, so I will cover that in another video. Anyway, I hope this helped somebody out at least. If you've got any questions, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. I appreciate everybody that's subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.